Good morning, dear colleague. I'm really happy to close the two days roundtable of speakers. Great speaks, and hope the last one will be to the same level to the others. So I'm Hubert Vandeville, president of Betterfly Tourism. I will show you a project we managed a few years ago about the greening laundry services for hotel industry using life cycle approach. Just one word about Betterfly Tourism. We are software editors, and the editors we edit are really focused to action, and we really want to engage hotel and restaurants by saving costs in parallel with environmental savings. So we developed three solutions. One is Wingy, a tool for resorts, a tool to manage impacts, cost, and deliver environmental footprint of hotels. The second one is Edgar, a food waste managing reduction tool. And the last one is a Green Passport application we developed in partnership with UN Environment to help local territories building and monitor tourism strategy. So, I will start with a game. Everybody know Jeopardy? So I have some answer to give you, and the question is to find. What represents 110,000 tons of chemicals in Europe? Laundry services for hotels. What represents between €1 and €10 per guest night? The linen and towel management in hotels. What represents 470,000 tons of CO2 per year in France? The laundry services for hotels. What represents 30 grams of waste of cotton and polyester per guest night? The laundry services for hotels. And what represents 10 million tons of water per year in France? The laundry cleaning for hotels. So it's the starting point of the project was a consultation during 3 years with about 100 hotels. It's the amount of impacts linking to the laundry services. So the next step was how to reduce the huge impact. The problematic is that there is a lot of parameters, connected parameters. If we want to reduce the impact, maybe you can look after new materials. But if you change the materials, maybe you have an impact of the lifespan of the product. Of course, you can change the provenance of the cotton, of the polyester, but it could affect the quality and so the lifespan, and maybe also the client experience. You can act on the management system in hotels, in laundry, but in the whole supply chain. But you can also have bad consequences on other aspects. There is a lot of substances, chemicals. If you change the materials, maybe there is not the same chemicals during the cleaning, so the impacts are not the same, etc., etc. So we have too many connected parameters, so the solution must be a systemic assessment and an innovation with the whole life cycle stakeholders. You cannot find a solution only if you are a hotel or the laundry management. So we built a working group. A working group with a lot of partners, one linen supplier, the last one in France, unfortunately, but we are still one linen supplier. We work with 7 laundries, with one chemical supplier, Ecolab, who is supplier of these 7 laundries, 6 hotels and 1 hotel association, 2 technical centers, experts in textile and laundry, and 2 consultancy companies, us and another one. So the project was also supported by public financement, and it was developed in the Green Passport program in Loire-Atlantique department in France. So the first step was to measure the real impacts of the life cycle of the laundry service. We measure these impacts with 4 LCA indicators: non-renewable resources impact, the primary energy consumption, the greenhouse gases emission, and the water consumption in life cycle We had one specific focus on chemicals, because when you wash the towel on linen, when you purchase linen, you have chemicals. Chemicals cannot be measured with greenhouse gases. There is a nonsense. There is a safety health impact. So we make assessment on the potential risk on chemicals used by chemicals and fine into towels and linen. Of course, we had to imagine a functional unit. There was quite logical offer a cleaned towel and linen for one client. So our functional unit was connected to one guest night and not one room. So we make the assessment and we produce illustration to explain the results. First results, it's the part of the impacts of the production and extraction of cotton, polyester, and transformation into linen and towel. It represents more than the half of the impacts for greenhouse gases and energy consumption, and close to 80% of the water consumption. Have in mind, for one night in hotel, you consume more than 150 liters of water in life cycle. More than 100 of water are consumed by cotton extraction and towel and linen transformation. So it's quite a huge impact. In parallel, about 20 liters in the cleaning service, in the laundry. About the non-renewable consumption materials, about 11% are due to the chemicals used in the laundry services. It's the most impacted part for chemicals. At the left of the illustration, you can show bubble. Each bubble represents an impact, and so you can show the contribution of each step. What is really important is that the cleaning steps is not really the most impacted, but during the cleaning you make choice who can impact all the life cycle. So after this first assessment, we spent all the actors, we gather all the actors during 2 days with a big seminar of innovation, eco-design meeting. And we work also with drawers who put in pictures all ID with we gave during the meeting. The first step was to draw the stakeholder list and the decision tree of laundry services. The first step was really to understand what are the relationships between actors, but who are the prescriptors of the linen. The second step was to identify a lot of solutions, but also to find the breaks against the solution. We imagine more than 90 solutions in short-term and long-term solutions, and potential difficulties too. And then the third step was to classify the solution, of course, in kind of term, but also in cost distribution, in technical difficulties and others. You have some example of solution at the left. At the bottom side, we have the solution inside the laundry services. And for example, we are example of a new boiler, low pressure, low boiler, but because if you decrease the temperature of washing, you can change the technology of boilers. And so the technology gap makes that the energy savings are really important. So at the end, we produce 6 short-term recommendations and solutions. The first one is to use in hotels unbleached sheets made in France. So at the right, you have the estimation of the environmental savings and cost savings for environmental savings, excuse me, for each solution. Here, the solution could save about 30% on each indicators. Why? Because the linen producer working on this solution has its own hydroelectric power plant in the plant. So there is a lot of benefits in terms of impacts during energy consumption, for example. The second solution is for hotels who are still in blankets, to remain in blankets, because the gap between the amount of linen washed for each guest night is about 25%, the gap of mass between blanket and duvet. The third idea is to test a new type of materials for towels. It's microfiber materials. The lifespan of this type of materials are really, really longer than cotton, and the energy consumed for drying of the towel are really less consumed than the cotton towels. So we imagine other action, eco-driving, water washing process optimization, and the last one, really important for hotels, to have a really good management of linen of towel, and to train the general housekeeper of the hotels. So in conclusion, life cycle approach is a really powerful tool, because that needs to have a systemic approach with a focus on the whole life cycle, including all stakeholders, but also it breaks the perimeter of each actors. It gives, of course, accurate figures and proofs. It gives the possibility to make a collective innovation session with real environmental savings. If you are thinking alone, you could not imagine solution on the whole life cycle. One of the most important benefits of the project was to decrease tension between actors, because hotels and laundry suppliers are often discussing about pricing, only pricing, the amount of euros per linen or per towel. There, the pricing was not discussed a lot, but the discussion was about solution. Only after we discuss about pricing, but as we change the system, maybe this is not the same approach. So thank you very much for your listening, and hope this work will give you some inspiration to apply life cycle approach in your project. Thank you.